found this little section at the beginning where it says lift and support points 1-8. So we want to see where all the jacking points are, right? If you wanted to lift just front corner, back corner, if you're using a vehicle lift, you can lift basically all four, 2 on each side. Using a floor jack, you can lift it up from there. So this one would lift the front, both fronts tires will come off. This one, both back tires come up. And give you guys a closer view. So I'm gonna basically raise it up right there, and we don't need to lift up the back. So I'm gonna lift up the front by, it's basically just a tow hook. If you look close, it's the little tow hook that you use to pull the vehicle, pull it onto a truck. Right there. Alright. The back wheels are chocked. This says put e-brake. So parking brake. Alright, so the parking brake is on already. So this is how you put the parking brake. Like that. So that's the parking brake. So if you're lifting up the front of the vehicle, it says put the parking brake on. If you're lifting the back of the vehicle, you put it in park on your shift lever. So we're gonna do both park and parking brake. Okay, so I have this little bottle jack right here. And this is actually air over hydraulic. And we have our air set up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this, make quick work of this. Top of the jack. So it lines up. Do you see how there's a little notch right there? Line it up to the hook. I usually don't like using bottle jacks just because the top of this is so small. All right, and we just have to be really careful so it doesn't shift. We have our little air hose. Connect this. So you slide the collar back. There. Go ahead and pump it up. And keep an eye on that so it doesn't shift. We need it until our left wheel lifts off the ground. Okay, so the wheels lifted off. Grab your jack stand. I always hate lifting up the vehicle from the center, so I try to do this pretty quick. There we go. And I face this on the outside so I can drop it down later. So you pull it and it drops down. Other side. Disconnect the air hose. Right. Now loosen this. So you put this on here and you rotate counterclockwise. Just go really slow. So rest is on the jack stands. And you can see the jack stands from the front.